Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to fix your arrow keys when they are not working as intended. Let's get started. First, what should the normal function of your arrow keys be like? It should be able to move from one cell to another by just a click of an arrow key. But in this case, if we try to press our keyboard arrow keys, it doesn't work. It stays in one place and the whole spreadsheet moves instead. Well, this is because of one thing only. It's the scroll lock function. It means that the scroll lock function is turned on, as seen on the bottom left corner of our Microsoft Excel, right here. To do this, there are two ways. First is, you may have accidentally clicked this before in your keyboard. That's why, in order to close it, all you have to do is click on the scroll lock button on your keyboard. Once you do so, the indicator of scroll lock should turn off on the bottom left portion of Excel, and you should be able to move the cell selector freely throughout the spreadsheet. Another way to fix this, if ever you cannot find your scroll lock in your keyboard, is go to your on-screen keyboard. Once you're in your on-screen keyboard by searching it in your Windows, the scroll lock should show just in the middle of the right portion of the on-screen keyboard right here. Once you press that, it's currently turned on, and once you unpress it, it shows that it's off again. And there we have it. This is how we fix the arrow keys in Microsoft Excel.